Yo, can you guys hear me? There we go, there we go, there we go. Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to another live, guys. Another great day in crypto. Obviously, we're dumping. Obviously, we are dumping, but yeah, looking like we're gonna dump a little bit more. So I want to first speak about the current setups that I'm in. We took this trade in my live stream this morning, and yeah, I think WorldCoin looking like it wants to continue down. Um, if we have a look at WorldCoin on the lower time frames, we can see that it did actually just break support, right? Excuse me. It did actually break support, which is this level right over here at 1.3, 1.335. And yeah, I've got a TP at around about this low over here at 1.32. But let's first speak about Bitcoin, guys. Let's speak about, because Bitcoin, I don't know, Bitcoin today is just, let's have a look here. Let's go. Which one is it? There we go. Yeah, so Bitcoin getting absolutely smacked. If we look at Bitcoin right now, this is my current setup for Bitcoin. I am still waiting for this trade. I am still waiting for the setup, but it doesn't look like we're going to get it. The market's dumping right now, so I think we're probably going to tap into that weekly slash daily support, which is actually sitting around about 55,600. 55,600 is my level that I'm looking at for the day. Yeah, so let's see what happens, guys. I mean, let's see what happens right now. Obviously, obviously, right now, if we look at Bitcoin, I was expecting price to come up, guys. I was waiting for this the whole day. I was waiting for price to come up to this level, to look for shorts back down to the weekly slash daily support, but it just doesn't look like we are still trading below like the 21 day moving average. Honestly, looking at the chart, it still looks like it wants to come down a little bit more. Okay, so Bitcoin currently at a critical zone right now. If we can, there is this level here. Let's have a look at the 5 minutes. Yeah, have a look at this on the lower time frame. Yeah, we could do something like this. If we break this level right now, I think we're gonna dump hard. Because check WorldCoin, guys. Oh, this trade I shared in my Telegram group, guys. Share this trade in the Telegram group. We're up like almost 30% on this one. It was a great entry. I think it's going to dump a lot more here. I think it's going to dump a lot more. Let me just, I just need to share this link. Just give me 1 second. I need to share this link with my community. There we go. There we go. Okay. Yeah. So right now, guys, I mean, this was a beautiful setup. Took this one live. Yeah, and then I was also looking at this trade for Solana. We're not ready just yet. I was waiting for Solana to come up a little bit more, yeah, guys, a little bit more. I was waiting for Solana to come up a little bit more to like 132. We just didn't really get into it at that point. But yeah, I'm actually quite interested in a Bitcoin setup right now. Actually, to be fair, the structure is just making me a little bit bearish. I am hoping we can maybe come up a little bit higher, tap into the zone, and then we can take some sells. But if not, then it's okay. It's okay. We can just take sells straight away. But let's see. Let's see if we can maybe come up a little bit higher here, back up to this point at around about 50, 56, 57K. That would be a good entry zone. But it just looks like there's no buyers. Honestly, like, guys, there's just no buyers in this type of market. So it's yeah. So you guys watch my live this morning. I was talking about a potential dumpster. But let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. What is this level here? We have a bit of a triangle pattern over here. Just over here. I mean, this is essentially something to note. So what can happen is definitely we can just trade between these zones the whole day. Even look for sells a little bit later on. something like that. That could be the trade. But yeah, it's looking decent. I still think that there's more downside for the day. I think that just looking at this right now, we're probably going to get a bounce off this level. We're most probably going to get a bounce off this level for Bitcoin, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But yeah, if you guys are watching on YouTube, sorry, unfortunately didn't see the WorldCoin trade. Yeah, I took a short on WorldCoin and posted them. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. It was a good setup. We're up like almost 30% now. This was a great setup, guys. I still think that we can come lower. I still think that we can come lower for WorldCoin. If we look at 30 minutes, like, yeah, look at the 30, guys. The 30-minute close below. Not good, not good. Well, good for us, but not good for WorldCoin. Because if you look at the 30 minutes, close below support, right? So yeah, our entry was just beautiful. It was a great entry. So yeah, I do think that WorldCoin can tap into this low over here. A little bit low here, looking at quite a nice move to the downside. We'll see if we can get that. Like, we'll see if we can get a push, and if it breaks that level, it's going to dump like really, really hard. WorldCoin's like pretty much at the lowest point it's been for so long, right? If we have a look left here, there's a bit of support over here. Where is that? Let's see. Bang. Let's keep on going left to see if we can see anything. Yeah, WorldCoin, guys, I think WorldCoin's dead, eh? Honestly, like, we're taking shorts pretty much at the bottom. I think WorldCoin's dead. So we have a level just over there, which is at the top, and that is that's our short level. That's interesting. That's crazy. Okay, so yeah, that's cool. We shorted below. I actually didn't see that, so we shorted pretty much at that level, which is good. I do think that most probably going to come down today. Retest this wick a little bit lower. Bitcoin, waiting for Bitcoin to do something, just not really doing anything. So it's a bit of a, just kind of chill right now. Solana, just waiting for that as well. Uniswap, nothing really. Let's have a look. I'm trying to see if we can maybe get some setups. This is quite interesting. XRP. I honestly think that we're going to fill these wicks down here today, guys. Potentially. I'm looking at maybe a full of these wicks today. But like, let's see what happens with Bitcoin. Bitcoin's still holding this level. Yeah, it's gonna be quite crazy. I think Bitcoin could move back up to these highs. But if we can break this low, if we can just break this low today, then cool, we take sells, right? So we're gonna wait for this in the live stream. Just gonna chill out, wait for this, see what happens. But yeah, right now I'm just currently just not in a trade for Bitcoin, just in a WorldCoin short. Gonna wait for Bitcoin though. I will obviously post that if I do get it. I will post that in my channel. But we shall see, guys. We shall see. Bitcoin, not really interested right now. We have to break this key level. But we are looking for two shorts, right? So essentially, what we're looking for is, for Bitcoin, we're looking for a short a little bit higher up, around about 57K. But not looking like we're going to get there. We maybe will. We're forming equal highs over here. We are forming higher lows, which is technically bullish. But equal highs is making me like a little bit bearish. So these equal highs, this didn't break out. This didn't break this previous high, right? So because we're not breaking this previous high, it's called a rejection zone, which is what we're seeing right now. So we just need to wait for like a potential dump, break of this trend line. We can look for sells back down to 55,600, or we wait for price to come up a little bit further. Maybe take out this high, retest this level over here. We have a bit of a box over here. that we can look for a sell. But either way, I'm looking for sellers, guys. I'm looking for sellers. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, guys. But yeah, I appreciate you guys watching. If you guys are watching on Twitter, welcome, guys. If you guys are watching on CoinW Twitter, you guys can also comment over here. You guys can comment over here, and then if you have any coins you want me to go over, there we go. We've got someone here, W Dog. We'll have a look at that. Yeah, just comment your coins, and we'll jump through them. If you guys are watching on Prop W, also can just do that as well. Make sure you guys come here. You can comment on what coins you guys want, and then I'll go over those as well. So if you guys are new to Prop W as well, let's just quickly run through this. They are doing this. So USDT free chicken challenge. Basically, how it works is if you invite 5 people, you get 5K challenge. If you invite 10 people, you get 10K. If you invite 20 people, you get 25K. So, I mean, this is great, right? So, I mean, literally free money for you guys. Just invite people. Yeah, it'll be cool. Do it today. Repost this, like this, get this out to as many people as you want. Yeah, and then also, like, this is a really cool event. I mean, it's literally if you invite 20 people is not hard to find. 5 people is probably easy. So make sure you guys do this. Date September 3rd to the 12th. So you have you have another 10 more days here. And then yeah, make sure you guys do that. And then also retweet and like this, get this out to as many people as possible. And then also this, if you like and repost this, comment your UID, you'll have a chance to win. Like this guy, ETH Gambling, you can see he's commented his UID and his likes and reposts. He has a chance of winning the 5K account. So make sure you guys do that. Do it. I mean, it's not hard, right? It's so easy. Let's go back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin's coming down. So we're gonna wait for this, guys. We're gonna wait for this for Bitcoin. Bullcoin getting absolutely smashed. Beautiful. I think Bullcoin's gonna dump hard, guys. You remember, there's just not much. There's not much below here. If Bullcoin breaks 1.3, we're gonna dump really hard. Where are we gonna dump to? Let's have a look, guys. Look at this. We're taking shorts at the bottom. Like, it's quite crazy. It's kind of crazy. So let's have a look here to the left. If we have a look to the left here, where is our support and our resistance? We are actually currently at support, to be fair. We can potentially come back down to like this zone. Where's this? Yeah, let's have a look and see where that is. Bang. Okay. I mean, if Bitcoin tanks, I mean, Walcoin is just going to get absolutely smoked. Another 10% drop here. Okay, so that's going to be interesting. And then also just Bitcoin just waiting for this. Damn, what did I miss? Will you post in the scalp trading channel or separate? What do you mean by that? I posted in my scalp in the Telegram group. Which channel are you on? Ashore. What did I miss, Mario? You didn't miss much. We're just looking at the trades that we're currently in. So it's just the WorldCoin one, just this one over here, and then the ones that we've been waiting for from the live this morning. So yeah, we're just seeing if we can just take out these lows, and then Bitcoin. I'm just waiting to see if we can maybe potentially just take out this trend line over here, take a sell. Trend lines, guys. Trend lines are very underrated in crypto. To be fair, like, I use trend lines for most of my trades. You can see like this WorldCoin trade was based on a trend line, and obviously the general direction of the market. So we'll see if we can maybe get some sells. What did you post the WorldCoin? You didn't post the WorldCoin trade. No, I did. I don't think. I'll show you. I think the message didn't go through. Oh, wait. I just need to share my other screen here. This screen over here. Yeah, it's quite big. I just need to share. I posted it in the group, so I'm a bit confused. Oh, it's so annoying. Yeah, it didn't go through. My bad, my bad. What's happening? It's not sharing the screen. Sorry about this, guys. Not sharing. It was there. I was late. I did post the. Are you based in Dubai? Yes, I am based in Dubai. I am based in Dubai. I don't know why it's not sharing now. Someone just give me 1 second. 1 second. One second, guys. I am based in Dubai. Yeah, it seemed like my signal didn't go through. So annoying. It went through to one. It went through to one group. It went through to one group, but only one group. Because normally, so like how what's my role? CoinW. I'm a trader, so I trade for CoinW. Yeah, of course there will be others, but I'm trying to fix the screen. Yeah, my role at CoinW is I'm a trader. It's fine. We have more opportunities coming, definitely. Exactly. I'm just waiting for the one guy to share my screen because he controls the live, but I don't think he's watching it at the moment, so I can't share it. Yeah, my role is a trader, so basically do copy trading as well. You're in Dubai, probably same time zone as me. It's 3:20 for me in Mauritius. Yeah, 3:20. How do you join the Telegram? Just message me. I'll send you the group. That's my Telegram. I can't share. This is so annoying. You don't understand. So annoying. I can't share my screen because someone else is controlling the back end. So annoying. So annoying. So we can just kind of chill out, wait for them to share it. Think we're gonna dump on New York Open. Yeah, I think so. You know what though? You know what's gonna happen? I think New York Open, we're gonna open positive. Oh, there we go, we're back. Okay, we're back. So I think for New York Open, what's gonna happen is I think we're gonna pump, take out these highs. I think what's gonna happen is we're gonna pump, take out these highs, and then just grab all of these shorts sitting over here, and then we come back down. But if not, like I will be looking just to short straight away off this breakdown because we have our weekly and daily support sitting over here. We haven't retested them since yesterday, since that massive dump we had last night. But I do think that we're going to take out these highs. There's a bit of a gap over here that we need to fill. We've kind of just been trading in this range. Not really much happening. So we'll see what happens. we'll see what happens. But I do think that most probably we're going to see a bit of a pump, maybe New York. There is a bit of news though as well. There is a bit of news, guys. When is the news? Let's see. What's today? Wednesday. We have job openings. So 30 minutes after New York, we're gonna have big high impact news, which is gonna be absolutely crazy. Yeah. So honestly thinking, like, I do think that we're gonna dump more. I honestly think we're gonna dump more, but I think we might pump before we dump. New York session, because market structures is so bearish, guys. Like it's actually crazy. But there will be some type of short squeeze eventually. Yeah, WorldCoin. I can't believe this signal didn't send. Our entry was beautiful. This is about to break the lows. I mean, if you look at the 30-minute, we literally just broke the lows. I think we're going to dump hard, yeah. I think we're going to dump. Friday news will be, yeah, Friday news is crazy. Friday news, NFP is going to be absolutely insane. So we'll see what happens. But for today, jobs opening, quite big news. But obviously Friday is going to be absolutely crazy. NFP. We don't trade news though, guys. We'll wait like an hour or like an hour and a half after news, and then we'll look for some setups. Flow key setup. I was looking at this. I missed it already though. But yeah, look at this. So flow key broke the support. It's looking like we're just gonna rip from this point. Kind of missed this because what I was waiting for Floki was just, you see, we missed that 1 hour there and then created a top wick and then we flipped bearish. That was the sign to go short right over there. So like right now, I mean, for me to take a trade for Floki, it's already retested this previous resistance. It's already retested that previous resistance. Not sure if we can just rip from this point. I think we're just going to drive. Floki missed that. I was waiting for that. It's a pity. It is a pity. Good idea to enter wall now. No, of course not. Yes, I'm actually also looking at a $80 Solana. That's quite funny. I was actually looking at that this morning. So have a look here. I'll show you my analysis for Solana because Solana is looking terrible, guys. I'm looking to short it as well. Just give me 1 second. Where's Solana? Have a look here. Solana. I mean, this was my setup. I'm still waiting for this. Let's just remove this. So I'm still waiting this for Solana, but my TPs for Solana for this trade is going to be around about 110 and $82. I'm potentially looking at that. So Solana, I think the reason why I'm bearish on Solana is because of this. Have a look at this. It's very, very easy to analyze this, right? We know that the 125 zone, this level here, reaction zone, right? We react, we've reacting, we've reacted, and now we are currently reacting again. So what does that mean, guys? It means that this is the strongest support we have for Solana since March, right? Since March 2024, right? This is the strongest level we have. We've retested this level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times now. 7 times we retested this. If you actually want to be more accurate, we've retested around 15 times. But just looking at like what we see on the graph, it's around about 7 times. But essentially, guys, once we break this level, we're dumping to the clearest new levels. We have around about $100. That's a psychological level. We have $83 as well. And also, guys, the other day we started trading below the 200-day and the 21-day moving average, right? This means that we are starting to come down, right? We are probably going to be bearish from this point on. This is what I'm expecting here is the 200-day moving average just to keep on doing this. And then what's going to happen is didn't mean to do that. So this is what I'm expecting, right? The 200-day moving average is going to do something like this, right? It's going to come down. It's going to come down. Going to start flipping over here. Solana is going to do this. Bang. And then we're going to come up. we're going to start breaking above the 200-day moving average. We wait for the retest, and that's when we go long, and that's when we hold to like $300. Okay, so Solana is looking interesting. I think if we break the support tomorrow, like if we wake up tomorrow, like on the daily close, and we're below 125, 126, we're gonna see a huge dump for Solana, guys. Yeah, you don't understand. Like, to be honest with you, I bought Solana. Like, I was very lucky. I bought Solana like $12 last, like the bear market, right? Bought it at $12, but I think that $80 is so clean. Like, I'm gonna add more to Solana at $80. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add more at $100, and then I'm gonna add some more at 82. So these are gonna be my two entry zones for Solana for like bull market. Okay, so Solana is just looking clean. Clean. Yeah. Solana is gonna be a good one. Solana's been a good one. Okay, so guys, we currently just waiting for Bitcoin. I don't think that we're going to see much activity for Bitcoin right now. I think what we're going to see is what I've analyzed on the chart. So essentially, we're gonna be ranging, potentially break this level here, hoping that we can just stay below here and take some shorts from that level. But personally, I think jobs, the news that's coming out just now, within the next like hour, 2 hours, I think we're just gonna have to wait for that, right? But New York session is gonna be crazy. It's gonna be crazy. There's gonna be a lot of volatility, but we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. I think WorldCoin's gonna dump really, really hard today. We've broken support. This thing is just gonna rip. This thing is about to rip. Yeah, so let's see what happens. I mean, currently just being patient. You don't want to be shorting everything right now. But Floki, we did miss Floki entry, which is a bit annoying. Good luck waking up. Daily closes 4 a.m. fast. Yeah. The daily close is also link been dumping too. Yeah. Let's have a look here, see what's happening on the daily is obviously crazy. Let's have a look at the 1 hour. Yeah, look at that. I mean, we called this dump in my live stream earlier. $15 Cardano. Okay, let's have a look at Cardano. When you start seeing like within 15 minutes something dumping like almost 1%, you want to have a look and see what's happening. You want to see if it's breaking support. You want to see all these things. So let's have a look and see. But yeah, I think that Bitcoin just gonna chill out, just gonna go sideways until like New York open. To be honest with you. Yeah, you have to set alarms. Of course, it is what it is. That's trading for you. Where are we? Let's have a look at, what was it? Cardano, right? So if we start looking at Cardano on the daily, I mean, it just looks terrible, right? It's very clear that it's bearish. We are actually, sorry, my hand, I just need to take this off. Okay, so if we look at Cardano on the daily, it's very clear that we had a support. Very, very clear that we had a support. I think we analyzed this earlier, but look at the 4-hour time frame. If we can break the support, we're going to see new lows for Solana. Sorry, for Cardano. Just look at this market, guys. It's crazy. Like, just to zoom out. Honestly, like, you could choose. If you look at the weekly, like if you choose one of these coins, like what I would choose is GRT. I love GRT. I would probably choose NEAR as well. FET. FET would be a good one. Tau, really love this coin. Beam is good. Ondo is great. Rendar down 18%. You're getting Rendar for massive discounts. Ton's gonna do well regardless what's been happening with Ton. I think it's still gonna do well. Solana, of course. HBAR, like HBAR. Axes, I think gaming will come back. Dots pretty much at an all-time low. and I think dot's just like one of those safe bets. Yeah, there's a couple you can choose here, guys. Everything's just like, I mean, it's crazy. It's crazy. The weekly's is disgusting to look at. Yeah, let's have a look at Tau. I mean, let's have a look. So I remember I told you guys what I was doing for Tau. Do you guys remember? Yeah, so I've got a limit. I've got a limit for Tau, guys, at 220. It almost got hit last night, guys. So close. But I think that's here we go. Let's go back. I've got a limit. I've got a limit order for Tau at around about like 220. If 220 can hold, that would be amazing, right? But I think Tau, this is the last level of defense. You know, if we break this, we're going down low. But I honestly think that this is a good coin to hold for the next run. My opinion on Dubai. Yeah, I personally don't really enjoy Dubai that much. I think it's not really my scene, right? Um, I've been here for like a year and a half, almost 2 years. Like I do like the country. I think it's a good country, but for me it's just not my vibe. You know, I like surfing every day and that type of stuff. And I can't really do that in Dubai. It's very artificial. So yeah, I'm just here for a little bit, but I am thinking about eventually going back to South Africa. Go live there, work remotely, something like that. That's gonna be one of my plans. I love South Africa a lot. I think South Africa is very underrated. Obviously, the economy is so bad, but very beautiful country, and you can surf every day. So that's what I want to do. But yeah, Dubai, I think it's just depends on who you are as a person. For me, it's not really my vibe, you know. But yeah, let's get back into Tau. So Tau looking at 220, 220 for longs. We maybe can get that. But I'm gonna put it quite a lot for Tau. I love Tau. I think it's a good project. I need to move from my country to it sucks. Where do you stay, Mario? I think yeah, a lot of people like have their opinions on Indonesia. We're in Bali. I want to move to Bali, to be honest. Bali, Thailand, or South Africa. One of those countries would be cool. Um, Thailand is very sick. I love Thailand as well. Thailand's really nice. The weather's amazing and it's really cool. So currently just waiting, guys. I'm just waiting right now. It's just the market's a little bit slow, to be fair. Yeah, let's see what happens. Worldcoin kind of pumping right now. Floki's coming back up to our entry, guys. Floki's coming back up to the entry. Probably going to enter this soon. Just going to wait. Remember, we did miss this entry a little bit earlier on, but I want to see if we can respect this 1 hour resistance that we have. If we start closing back above, this would probably be invalid because we've already retested this trend line, right? So if this can flip bearish here, like if we can close below this level here, and then the next 1 hour candle flips bearish, that would be amazing. That would be amazing. Yeah, Floki would be good. Have vacation in Mauritius, great scenery, and we might go grab a beer too. Yeah. I've heard Mauritius is amazing. I've always wanted to go to Mauritius, to be honest with you, to be fair. But you can't really surf there. The waves are too. There's no waves there, but you can snorkel and go scuba diving and all that. So we're just waiting, guys. We're waiting for some souls here. We are waiting for the soul. You know this one indicator I do use. I don't use any indicators pretty much, but there's one indicator I do use, and it's called the ORB. It's not really an indicator, to be fair. Um, it means the opening range breakout. So I keep my 15 minutes. So you put it 15 minutes. You put it on the 9:30 to 9:45 candle. Basically, it gives you your support and resistance of the 9:30 to 9:45 candle, that 15-minute candle. And whenever we trade below, we tend to come down. Whenever we start trading above, we tend to go up. So if you have a look here, we closed below here, and then check what happened. We came exactly to the level over here, and then we reacted straight away from that zone. So it's quite nice to use the ORB, opening range breakout. It's not an indicator. It's just what is an indicator, but it just gives you the support and resistance of the 15 minutes candle of the 9:30 candle, 9:30 a.m. candle. So it's quite cool to use if you guys want to use that. But you obviously have to know that market structure and all that first. Like you can't just use ORB and be like, oh, it's below ORB, we take sells. You have to know like if the market's bearish or bullish or that type of stuff. You know what I mean? So yeah, just kind of just chilling out, guys. I mean, not much happening right now. Gonna wait for this floki setup. If we can come up a little bit higher, potentially to this level over here, we take sells. Bang. Bitcoin's probably pumping right now because we are getting a bit of a push up, and which is good, which is what we want. We want Bitcoin to start moving. We want Bitcoin to start moving. We want Bitcoin to take out these levels. Let's give a look. I've got so many Bitcoin charts. It's crazy. Like I don't know what's what. Here we go. So this is something to watch out for. So let's see if we can hold this level here. We should be fine. But yeah, let's see what happens. Let's see what. Hey, I'm new here. Could I get the Telegram link? Would love to stay updated. Awesome. Later Khan, just DM me. There we go. Thanks so much for joining. If you guys are watching on YouTube, thank you for joining. I appreciate you guys. I know there's a lot of people that always watch me, and I do appreciate you guys watching me. It does help a lot. And yeah, everything's free. I'm not like there's no you don't have to pay anything. You just join the group. It's free. You can come chill out at my stream every day, and we can just take some trades together. So have a look at Floki. It's almost there. It's almost ready. Floki's almost ready. Let's see if we can get that. Almost ready, yeah. Yeah. What else can we look at? I mean, I love looking at this because Trump gone up to 52%, and Kamala Harris is down to 47%. Obviously, this is not like when the people are voting, but what normally happens is Donald Trump actually normally is actually below pre-voting, which is quite interesting. And now that he's actually above, obviously, I mean, he's still like what 62 days. But you can see there's a lot more Trump fans out there, and honestly, like Trump has to win, guys. Trump has to win. Yeah, I actually bet on Trump to win. Put like $500 for Trump to win. Yeah, as well. I really want Kamala Harris to lose. Obviously, like guys, I hate Trump as a person. Like, I don't like Trump as a person. But like for crypto. I mean, it's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer. Bit slow right now. A bit slow. It's a bit annoying. Maybe we have to wait. Maybe we have to wait. If you guys are watching on Twitter, welcome, guys. Welcome. Make sure you guys come check out Prop W. Prop W right now, giving beautiful, right? You guys can get successfully. So if you invite 5 people, you get 5K challenge. If you invite 10 people, you get a 10K challenge. Invite 20, you get 25K challenge. All valid till the 12th of September. Make sure you guys check that out. Check that out. Prop W, very, very nice to use. Very simple. You can also download the app on your phone instead of using your laptop. There is a video. If you guys scroll down on this page, there is actually a video of you can download it. Download it in the app. Let me just find it. It's also like a very, very different, right? Compared to like, this is Prop W, one of the only funded accounts where you can actually, here we go. You can download it on the Play Store here. It shows you exactly how to do it. So make sure you guys check that out. All you need to do is just search Prop W, and that's that. Very simple to use. What's happening? Mo and Said, don't forget to join Prop W community. Join, guys. Join. And it's also nice. You can take, so these trades that I post, you can literally just take them for the Prop W. So simple. Yeah, you can take it on the app. Most of these trades I take on Prop W as well. Okay, so Floki, guys, Bitcoin. Let's go back to the charts. Bitcoin kind of just holding that level. Have a look at this. This is going to be interesting. This is going to be interesting because we are scalping, right? That's the name of the game. I'm a scalp trader. I look for small movements, but I also look for high impact movements as well. But essentially, if yeah, so if Bitcoin can hold this level here, guys, if we can hold this ORB level, this red line over here, I do think that we can come back down. We can take those sells on the break. Filecoin, sorry, Floki looking interesting, holding resistance. Bang, it is holding this resistance over here. I do think we probably just gonna sell off here. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I want to see like a deeper retracement. I don't think we're gonna get it though. I don't think we're gonna get it. Yeah, it looks like we might just top out here. Yeah, it's interesting. I know. Okay, don't take it. Don't take the WorldCoin signal. I know. I don't know why Telegram sometimes, guys. I need to let me just message there. Sorry. That's so annoying. Yeah, the WorldCoin trade just sends. Very, very annoying. Don't take it, guys. It's not valid. We took it earlier. Let me just. I don't know why I did that. Very annoying. Okay. So we're just gonna wait. There will be more signals there, so don't worry, guys. Don't worry. There will be more signals there. So don't worry about that. Make sure you guys do join. I see a couple of you guys send me a DM. I'll add you to those groups. We can definitely because I will be trading later, guys. We got some setups lined up here. We've got Bitcoin. I'm definitely gonna take this short for Bitcoin because I think we might even tap like lower lows. Yeah, it's gonna be crazy. We'll see if we can maybe touch that. Ethereum looking absolutely terrible as well. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting, guys. It's gonna be interesting. But Warcoin, I'm actually trying to see now. Let's actually look because we still short. We hit TP1, which was at this low over here. But TP2 is, I mean, look at this. I mean, it can still drive really, really hard. If Warcoin can actually come up a little bit more over here, around about like 1.37, we can look for another short. Probably just add more. But yeah, oh, Floki. That's why you attend the live. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Telegram, useless. I think we should just short ton because Telegram's so useless. I'm kidding. Kidding. How to send you a DM? Man. Oh, Floki. I mean, I was waiting for a deeper retracement, just a little deeper. Maybe we can get it. I don't know. It looks like this thing's gonna dump hard. Looks like this is gonna dump hard. That's annoying. Okay. It's okay. It is okay. Bitcoin. Let's go back to Bitcoin. I think we can take these sells soon. It's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be very interesting. If we look at the lower time frames, we've analyzed the higher time frames, guys. We don't need to go down. We're just looking at lower time frames right now. We don't need to speak about the higher time frames because we all know that we bearish right now. So let's see if Bitcoin can just break below this level here. That would be amazing. That would be insane. Well, let's see. Let's see what happens. It's going to be quite cool to see if we can maybe get some sales in this live stream. We've got 10 minutes. Yeah. Are you going to go live for New York session? Probably not. Actually, maybe. Maybe. Yeah, I'm just in WLD right now. I'm just in this trade. Took some profit already. I do think that it's just going to continue though. Like personally, let's have a look here. Where could we enter again? Yeah, it would have to come back up to this level here. I mean, entering now is just not valid. But you know what you can look for now? Because you can see, I want to show you guys something. Because basically we broke support, right? We broke support here. Okay, we closed below, but now we're currently retesting. But have a look here. There's no bottom wick. Or there's a low one. There's barely any bottom wick here. So this can still flip bearish here. 9 minutes. This can still flip bearish. What you want to see is something like this. This is what you want to see. You want to see a massive bottom wick like this, and then we flip bullish. But because there's barely any bottom wick, this can easily just flip back bearish, right? So we'll see. Yeah, I'm just in the Worldcoin trade right now, like nothing else. Okay, cool. I'll add you to the groups us for just after this live stream. I might go live in New York. Not really. I've already been live for like 2 hours there. Might just chill. I will post the setups. It looks like the bar is working again. I want to take a short on time because I just don't like Telegram at this point. We're gonna look for this sell here, guys. We're gonna take the sell soon. If Bitcoin can just break this low here, that would be amazing. Look for sells. Yeah, but not much else. Not much else happening. Let's see what happens. Floki, we missed this. That was your entry. Like it was so clean. It was so clean. I think it's gonna fall this week today, honestly. Bitcoin. The Bitcoin can just break this low. It's kind of holding though. I think it's waiting for New York session. It's gonna be crazy New York session, guys. What other charts you guys want me to look at? Maybe we can take some setups. If you guys are watching, you're looking at CRV. Let me have a look. So Pepe, yeah, let's have a look at Pepe, CTK, and CRV. If you guys are watching on YouTube, I mean on Twitter, you guys can. I go live every single day on this channel here, Crypto Monk. We go live every day. We went live this morning as well. Over here, I'll show you where I was speaking about the setup. I think it was early. No, it was a little bit later on. Just to show you, here we go. This was the Floki setup I was looking at. And then WorldCoin. WorldCoin was a little bit later on. Bang. Oh no, that's Floki. I don't know where WorldCoin was. It was a little bit later on. Floki. I think it was, yeah, here we go, WorldCoin. This was the trade. So make sure you guys follow me on here. Let's have a look at what do we want to look at? We want to look at Floki has that yo-yo up-down movements a lot. Should have always been on the lookout. Yeah, exactly. My voice is echoing. Is it? Strange. Sorry about that. Let's have a look. So we're looking at Pepe, CTK, CRV, and Notcoin. Pepe. Let's have a look at Pepe. So still waiting for Bitcoin. I don't know. Is my voice echoing, guys? Let me know. Let me know. Oh, Pepe. Oh yeah, I remember like Pepe broke this huge daily level. Yeah, look at this. My target for Pepe is 0.45, guys. It broke this massive like bear flag kind of pattern. My target for Pepe is a lot lower. My target is I'm looking at 0.44546 for Pepe. If we look like right now, we are looking terrible. We're looking bearish, but we are currently holding this level here. If we have a look left here, we can see that there's support around about here. Bang, there's support over there. We are currently bouncing from that support, which is fine. If we look at 15, yeah, so we can potentially look at some sells off this ORB here. Oh, I like that. Let's see if we can get a reaction here. Potential sells here for Pepe. I'll post this in the group as well if this plays out. I will post this. Potentially looking at some sells here though. You know, my target for Pepe is crazy though. Around about a 30% drop. I don't know, maybe. Potentially a short-term scalp to like this level here. But let's see. What else do we have? We have still echoing. Let me change settings. Just go. Let me know if this is better. I'm gonna plug in my other mic. Let me know if that's better. Let me know if that's better with the echo. I plugged in my mic. So Floki, I'm actually looking, sorry, for Pepe, I'm looking at a sell as well. I'll let you know if I enter that. Let's have a look here, see if we, looks like she's sent down from this point. I don't know, I'm just a bit skeptical of shorting before New York open, but we'll see. Potentially looking at this. What else do we have? We have still the same. I'm not too sure why it's echoing. I'm sorry. I'll try to fix it in the future. I'm sorry about that. Your voice is echoing. CRV, let's have a look at CRV. Yeah, I mean, CRV is dead. Are you joking? Guys, CRV is at the lowest point. I think Curve Finance, to be honest with you, I don't think it's going to do much in the bull run. There's a lot more better projects in Curve at this point. Yeah, and we broke like such a critical zone. If we look at the weekly, I remember I took a long, yeah, I was very bullish on this, but I mean, it broke support, so I don't know about this. The weekly candle looks terrible. We broke through this huge level here. I don't really want to look at any trades here. I just think it's a bit dead. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. It's echoing. It's a bit annoying. I can imagine. CRV, I mean, you could potentially look at a spot holding, but I don't think it's going to do much. Let's have a look at Notcoin. Yeah, Notcoin, guys. I'm actually looking at a long for Notcoin. I think we spoke about it a while ago. Ooh, dumping. Oh my god. Okay, Notcoin. It's actually into my long zone. Oh my god. I'm not in this trade right now because I'm bearish on most coins, but this is your level, guys. Notcoin getting smacked. Yeah, I mean, this is my zone. Like, it's at the level that I want it to be at. If we can maybe flip bullish today, that would be good. But I don't really trade futures for NOS. Like, to be honest with you, I'd rather just trade. I'd rather just trade. What's it called? Spot for NOS. But we'll see. It's currently at the entry zone. This could be the zone to enter, guys. I'm not. I'm just. I want to wait for maybe tomorrow's candle. I'll wait for tomorrow's candle, then we can maybe look for that. And then that's it. Is that it? Okay, guys. Message me on Telegram. Message me on Telegram if you do want to join the community. But yeah, I do appreciate you guys watching. Of course, it's always good having you guys here, and thanks so much for always watching. Make sure you guys always check CoinW, invite some people through. You get some rewards, and yeah, I appreciate you guys. Join the Telegram group right now. Join the Telegram group. Ton Foundation. What's this? What? No, this is a scam. Yeah. So thanks so much, guys. Appreciate you guys. Join the group. I will take some trades a little bit later on. We got Pepe. Wait, let's have a look at Pepe quickly. We might even be able to enter Floki. I think we've missed it. We've missed the Floki one. It's a bit annoying. But Pepe, I don't think we. Yeah, Pepe. I'll post this in the Telegram group. Make sure you guys join. Looking to short Pepe. I'll see you guys later. I might go live a little bit later. Probably not though. I've been live too much today. My voice is getting sore. But yeah, thanks so much, guys. See you guys tomorrow. I go live every single day. If you guys are new to my channel, come join. Let's try to get to 1,000. That would be amazing. That would be amazing to get there. But yeah, thanks so much. See you guys. Bye bye.